Ethical hacking might sound like a contradiction. The term hacking often brings to mind images of malicious activities, data breaches, and cybercriminals lurking in the shadows. However, ethical hacking flips this narrative on its head. How can hacking be ethical? It's a question that puzzles many. The key lies in the intent and permission behind the actions. Think of it like this. Imagine a security system expert hired to test a bank's defenses. This expert uses the same techniques as a malicious hacker, but with the bank's consent and for the purpose of strengthening security. They use the same methods as a real thief, but with permission and good intentions. That's ethical hacking. It's a proactive approach to cybersecurity. It's about finding weaknesses before the bad guys do. Ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities in systems, networks, and applications, allowing organizations to fix them before they can be exploited. These ethical hackers, or white hat hackers, are like digital superheroes using their powers for good. They possess the same skills as their malicious counterparts, but choose to use them to protect rather than to harm. They protect our online lives, from banking to shopping to social media. Every time you make an online transaction or post on social media, ethical hackers are working behind the scenes to ensure your data remains secure. Ethical hacking is a rapidly growing field, with more and more organizations realizing its importance. Companies across various industries are investing in ethical hacking to safeguard their digital assets. As we become increasingly reliant on technology, ethical hackers will play a vital role in keeping our data and systems safe. Their work is essential in an era where cyber threats are constantly evolving, and the stakes have never been higher. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is paramount. We store almost everything online: financial details, personal information, even our health records. This data is valuable, not just to us but also to criminals. Cybersecurity is like a digital shield, protecting our data and systems from these threats. It involves a range of techniques and measures to prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and other cybercrimes. From strong passwords to sophisticated firewalls, cybersecurity is essential for individuals and organizations alike. As technology advances, so do the threats, making robust cybersecurity measures more crucial than ever. What does it take to become an ethical hacker? First and foremost, a strong ethical compass is essential. Ethical hackers must always operate within the law and with permission. Technical skills are also crucial. This includes a solid understanding of computer networks, operating systems, and programming languages. Ethical hackers use various tools from password crackers to vulnerability scanners. Fortunately, many resources are available to learn these skills, from online courses to certifications. The key is to have a curious mind, a willingness to learn, and a passion for making the digital world a safer place. Let's look at a simplified example of how an ethical hacker might approach a task. Ethical hacking is a crucial practice in today's digital age, where cyber threats are constantly evolving. By understanding the methods used by malicious hackers, ethical hackers can help organizations protect their valuable data and systems. Imagine a company hires you to test its website security. This is a common scenario where businesses seek to identify and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by cybercriminals. The process begins with a clear understanding of the task at hand and the scope of the engagement. Your first step would be reconnaissance. Gathering information about the website and its systems. This phase is crucial, as it helps you understand the target environment. You might look for publicly available information, such as domain names, IP addresses, and other details that can provide insights into the website's infrastructure. Next, you might scan the website for vulnerabilities using automated tools. These tools can quickly identify potential security issues by analyzing the website's code and configurations. It's important to use a variety of tools to get a comprehensive view of the website's security posture. These tools can identify common weaknesses, such as outdated software or insecure configurations. Outdated software is a significant risk because it may contain known vulnerabilities that can be easily exploited. Insecure configurations, on the other hand, can leave the website open to attacks. Once you've identified potential vulnerabilities, you would attempt to exploit them, always with the company's permission. This step is known as penetration testing, and it involves simulating attacks to see if the vulnerabilities can be exploited. The goal is to understand the impact of these vulnerabilities and how they can be mitigated. Finally, you would document your findings and provide recommendations for improving the website's security. This report is a critical deliverable as it helps the company understand the risks and the steps needed to address them. Clear and actionable recommendations can significantly enhance the company's security posture. This process helps companies identify and fix weaknesses before malicious hackers can exploit them. By proactively addressing these issues, businesses can protect their data, maintain customer trust, and avoid costly breaches. Ethical hacking is not just about finding flaws, it's about building a more secure digital world. Section 5. Staying legal and ethical. Ethical hacking is a powerful tool, but it's crucial to use it responsibly. Always obtain written permission before attempting any security testing. This protects both you and the organization you're testing. It's also essential to respect data privacy. Never access or disclose sensitive information without authorization. Remember, ethical hacking is about finding and fixing vulnerabilities, not exploiting them for personal gain. By adhering to legal and ethical guidelines, you can ensure that your actions are always above board and contribute to a safer digital environment. Section 6. Real-world ethical hacking, stories from the field. In this section we delve into the fascinating and often unseen world of ethical hacking, where skilled professionals use their talents to protect and secure our digital landscape. Ethical hackers have incredible stories to tell. These are not just tales of technical prowess but narratives of dedication, responsibility, and the relentless pursuit of a safer digital world. Take the story of a young security researcher who discovered a flaw in a popular social media platform. This researcher, driven by curiosity and a sense of duty, spent countless hours analyzing the platform's code. This flaw could have allowed attackers to access millions of user accounts. Imagine the potential for misuse, the personal data at risk, and the trust that could be shattered. Instead of exploiting the vulnerability, the researcher responsibly disclosed it to the company. This act of integrity is what sets ethical hackers apart from malicious actors. The company quickly fixed the flaw, preventing a potentially catastrophic data breach. The collaboration between the researcher and the company exemplifies the positive impact of ethical hacking. This is just one example of how ethical hackers make a real difference in the world. Their work often goes unnoticed, but it is crucial in maintaining the security and integrity of our digital systems. From uncovering vulnerabilities in medical devices to preventing financial fraud, ethical hackers play a vital role in protecting our digital lives. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure our safety and privacy. Their stories inspire a new generation of cybersecurity professionals, showing that with the right skills and ethical mindset, anyone can contribute to a safer internet. Ethical hacking is not just a career, it's a mission to make the digital world a better place for everyone. Section 7. Want to learn more? Resources for aspiring ethical hackers. If you're interested in learning more about ethical hacking, a wealth of resources is available. Online platforms like Cybrary and Udemy offer comprehensive courses for all skill levels. Certifications, such as the Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, can demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers. Don't be afraid to experiment and practice in safe environments, such as virtual labs. The world of ethical hacking is constantly evolving, so a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to learn are essential for success. Section 8. The future of ethical hacking. As technology advances, ethical hacking will become even more critical. The rise of artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and other emerging technologies presents new challenges and opportunities for cybersecurity professionals. Ethical hackers will be at the forefront of securing these technologies, ensuring their safe and responsible development and deployment. We can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and techniques emerge as the cat-and-mouse game between ethical hackers and malicious actors continues. The future of ethical hacking is bright, with endless possibilities for those passionate about making the digital world a safer place. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey begins now. Ethical hacking is an exciting and rewarding field that offers the opportunity to make a real difference. By learning the basics of cybersecurity and developing your skills, you can join the ranks of digital superheroes protecting our online world. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start exploring the world of ethical hacking today, and who knows what you might discover. The power to make a difference is in your hands.